Cadillac Ln, McMinnville, Tennessee Railroad crossing. This one's actually a little bit special. First up, we got a clip style base, an S crossing information, USNS 12 by 24 inch lights on a USNS light clip with a Modern Industries mechanical bell. Let's go on to the next signal. Second signal, clip style base, Modern Industry 12 by 24 inch lights on a Harman light clip. Here's the crossing information, and there's the Ln dot tag. So yeah, there's Cadillac Ln, McMinnville, Tennessee Railroad crossing. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see y'all in the next one.